Faceless affiliate marketing for beginners. If you've been searching for faceless affiliate marketing for beginners because you want to make money online without showing your face, without becoming an influencer, and without spending all day creating content on social media, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how faceless affiliate marketing for beginners works, how AI tools are changing the game, how you can create content faster than ever before, and how complete beginners can start building an affiliate marketing business without showing their face. Now, before we jump in, do me a quick favor. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I post videos every week about affiliate marketing, AI tools, faceless YouTube channels, side hustles, and ways to make money online. Also, make sure you check the pinned comment below. You'll find my discounted Syllaby link, which is one of the tools I use to create faceless content faster. You'll also find my #1 recommended affiliate offer called Daily Income Method. It pays up to $200 per sale and includes over 100,000 viral clips as a bonus when you get started. Both links are in the pinned comment below. Now let's get started. One of the biggest myths about affiliate marketing is that you need to become some kind of online celebrity. People think they need to show their face. They think they need to post selfies. They think they need to go live. They think they need to build a personal brand. The truth is, faceless affiliate marketing for beginners is one of the fastest growing opportunities online right now. Why? Because technology has changed. AI has changed. Content creation has changed. And the barriers to entry have become much lower. Today you can create content without filming yourself. You can create content without expensive equipment. You can create content without hiring a team. And you can do most of it directly from your phone or laptop. That's why faceless affiliate marketing for beginners is becoming so popular. Let's talk about what faceless affiliate marketing actually is. At its core, affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend products or services. Someone clicks your affiliate link, they purchase. You earn a commission. The faceless part simply means you're creating content without putting yourself on camera. Instead of showing your face, you might use stock footage, screen recordings, slides, animations, AI-generated visuals, B-roll footage, voiceovers, text-based videos, or a combination of all of the above. The goal isn't to become famous. The goal is to create useful content that solves problems. And that's where opportunities start to appear. Now let's talk about how I approach faceless affiliate marketing for beginners. The first step is choosing a niche. This is where many people get stuck. They want to promote everything, but that's usually a mistake. Instead, focus on one area. For example, affiliate marketing, AI tools, make money online, personal finance, health, technology, productivity, software reviews. The more focused you are, the easier it becomes to create content. Now, once you've chosen a niche, the next step is finding content ideas. And this is where many beginners fail. They run out of things to talk about. They stare at a blank screen. They spend hours trying to figure out what video to create next. That's exactly why I started using Syllaby. Syllaby helps me generate content ideas around topics people are already searching for. Instead of guessing what might work, I can quickly discover content opportunities and build an entire content strategy around them. That's a huge advantage. If you want to see how it works, check out my discounted Syllaby link in the pinned comment below. You can get started and see the platform for yourself. Now, after I find a content idea, the next step is creating a script. This is another area where many beginners struggle. They know the topic, but they don't know what to say. Again, this is where AI can help. Syllaby can help generate content outlines and script frameworks much faster than starting from a blank page. Now, obviously, I still personalize everything. I add my own experience. I add my own opinions. I add my own examples. But having a starting point saves a tremendous amount of time. Once the script is complete, It's time to create the video. And this is where faceless affiliate marketing for beginners becomes exciting. Because you don't need to film yourself. You can use stock videos. You can use AI visuals. You can use screen recordings. You can use animations. You can create professional-looking videos without ever turning on a camera. That's one of the reasons so many people are building faceless YouTube channels today. The content can be educational, helpful, entertaining, informative, and it doesn't require you to become the star of the show. Now let's talk about traffic, because traffic is what drives affiliate commissions. Without traffic, there are no clicks. Without clicks, there are no sales. Without sales, there are no commissions. My favorite traffic source is YouTube. Why? Because YouTube is both a search engine and a recommendation engine. People actively search for solutions. They're looking for answers. They're looking for reviews. They're looking for tutorials. They're looking for opportunities. That creates demand. And when your content solves a problem, you have an opportunity to earn commissions. One of the biggest advantages of YouTube is longevity. A social media post might disappear after a few hours. A YouTube video can continue generating views for months or years. That's why I focus on creating assets. Every video becomes another opportunity to generate traffic. Every video becomes another opportunity to help people. Every video becomes another opportunity to earn commissions. Now let's talk about monetization, because that's the part everyone cares about. How do you actually make money with faceless affiliate marketing for beginners? The process is simple. Create content, get traffic, recommend products, earn commissions. For example, if someone wants help creating faceless content, I might recommend Syllaby. If they purchase through my affiliate link, I earn a commission. If someone wants a beginner-friendly business opportunity that pays up to $200 per sale, I might recommend Daily Income Method. Again, you'll find both resources in the pinned comment below. And remember, Daily Income Method also includes over 100,000 viral clips as a bonus. Now here's something important. Don't think about affiliate marketing as selling. Think about it as helping. When someone has a problem and you recommend a solution, that's value. When someone wants to create content faster and you show them a tool that can help, that's value. When someone wants to make money online and you show them a resource that can help them get started, that's value. Focus on helping people. The commissions become a byproduct of providing value. Another mistake I see beginners make is expecting overnight success. They upload 3 videos. Nothing happens. They quit. That's not how this works. Faceless affiliate marketing for beginners requires consistency. You need to keep creating. You need to keep learning. You need to keep improving. Every video teaches you something. Every upload gives you data. Every piece of content becomes another asset. The creators who succeed are usually the creators who stay in the game long enough to see results. That's why having systems is so important. And that's why I continue using tools like Syllaby. The easier content creation becomes, the more likely you are to stay consistent. Again, if you'd like to try Syllaby yourself, check out the discounted link in the pinned comment below. Quick question. Would you rather build a faceless YouTube channel or a personal brand channel? Let me know in the comments. And while you're down there, hit the like button and subscribe because it really helps the channel. Now let's recap everything. Faceless affiliate marketing for beginners is one of the most accessible business models available today. You don't need followers. You don't need to become famous. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need to show your face. Choose a niche. Use tools like Syllaby to generate ideas and create content faster. Create valuable videos. Get traffic from YouTube. Recommend products that help people. And stay consistent. If you want to follow the same approach I'm using, check out the pinned comment below. You'll find my discounted Syllaby link and my #1 recommended affiliate offer, Daily Income Method, which pays up to $200 per sale and includes over 100,000 viral clips as a bonus. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.